Hey guys, it's Martin and I have another DIY design makeover planned for you today. I'm super excited because Julia Marrero, yay! So tell me what's going on with your living room. Why you contacted me.
Because like everything in my house, like we talked before, it is just functional, but it's not beautiful.
Right.
It was functional just for me, for my kids, but now they're getting older and I want something that is more beautiful. I entertain a lot of people in my house.
Yeah.
So I just want my house to fit my personality.
I just need some other elements to kind of bring it all together, right?
Exactly, and that's what he is amazing
Thank
for,
you.
because he can just come and be like, move this, move that, do this, do that. So without spending a lot of money, he can just create a beautiful space.
Well, wait till you get the bill at the end. We don't know about that. We don't know about
without
that.
spending a lot of money.
Your style is very much like Fixer Upper, right, on HGTV?
Yes, 100%.
So you like a little bit of modern, but also a little bit of those rustic elements?
Yes,
Like
farm
farmhouse
style, modern, everything together, everything together. In my house, I like to combine both, the city and the farm.
Right. Well, I did bring some chickens. I want to bring them in later.
Cool.
All right, let's make this happen, shall we?
Let's go.
Okay, so the first thing that we're starting with is an area rug, because you know how much I love area rugs to really define the space. I'm doing a double treatment because I first put down a sisal area rug. Now the key to make this work is to do an 8x10 area rug first, which is a sisal, and then on top of this, I'm placing down a 5x8, which is a smaller size. So then in the end, we're gonna have just the sisal border, giving us that double layered effect. Okay, Julia, so explain to me your beautiful cushion.
It's a flat pancake, as you can see.
I can pretty much use it as a serving tray, right? Like, here, would you like some appetizers? Here, would you like some appetizers?
Okay.
So a simple solution to this is, because you do have beautiful covers, is to buy, yeah, like a down insert. So if maybe you're allergic to down, you can also buy, it's called like a down alternative. So it gives you that same luxurious feel. But the difference is that this you can flatten out, you can sit on it, but just by fluffing it up, it basically comes to life again, yeah. So this is like your before, and now look at the difference just by changing out the inserts. So which pillow would you want to have for your house, right? This one. So now let's concentrate on this humongous focal wall, which has the custom built-in bookcases. If you notice, behind me we have a lot of white, right? There's really no contrast, it almost disappears. So because Julia likes that farmhouse modern style, I'm going to enhance this. How, do you ask? How, do you ask? I bought these panels at a home improvement store. They actually it looks like a reclaimed wood wall, right? Basically like wood planks, but it's actually paper printed on an MDF board. So at the home improvement store, I had them cut them down to size, and basically what's gonna happen is we are just going to insert it in the hole. So with the insert in the back, we have a more beautiful background, if you will, with all the decorative accessories in the front. To hold it in place, I'm using some removable double-sided tape, and that's pretty much it. So in the future, if you get bored of this, you can easily switch it out, and it's not something permanent. Love this, and it's a great DIY tip. Okay, Julia, so the room is coming together, right? You like everything so far?
I love it. I love it.
I'm gonna open up this box here because I do have a little bit of a surprise for you, but don't look yet. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed.
I remember getting this
Yeah, I know, right?
when we went furniture shopping.
I know.
Oh my
Da
god!
da 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 da. Oh, here's what I got.
Oh my god!
Yeah, right? Well, I know you loved it a lot. So we can use it to exhibit all the throws, maybe even magazines. In the bathroom, you can use it to display your towels too. So it's a really functional piece, and I love the fact that you really don't have to even drill. So it's a super DIY friendly project. Just lean it up against the wall and that's it. So this is gonna go, can you guess where?
Yes.
Where?
There.
Yeah. Madness is complete. Julia,
I know.
what are your thoughts?
I love it. It's amazing, it's beautiful, everything I was wishing for.
Thank you.
And again, you did your magic. And again, you did your magic. Everything came together in a way that is beyond my expectations.
Well, thank you. And again, it's really just based on what was already here as the inspiration board, if you will, and then obviously take it to the next level with all the new purchases that we did. So for example, we did go shopping together. We bought the accent chair back there. You actually had this one here to my left hidden in your son's bedroom.
Yes.
And I'm like, why is it hidden? Let's go ahead and bring this out and obviously save on the budget so we can recycle what you have. For me, when you form a furniture layout in a living room, it's all about the furniture placement to create what I consider to be a conversation cluster. So even though you have a sectional for functional seating, you still needed seating opposite the sectional so that people and your guests can sit right across from you and still have a conversation. In addition to that, I wanted to give you the floating ottomans back here too, because it adds that boho chic, style that I know you like as well.
Yes.
You're kind of all over the place. You like farmhouse, modern, glam,
Just like my
boho.
personality.
But it all works. So you like farmhouse, modern, glam,
Just like my
boho.
personality.
But it all works. Yeah, it's that perfect balance of casual elegance. So thank you again for allowing me to do this for you. I know we're going to do later on a second room, Daniel's bedroom, but for right now, this room is holiday ready. Thank you again. All right.
Love you.
Love you too. Thank you. All right.
Love you.
Love you too. Thank you. See you next time.